Let's try. Let's say something to test. How it works. Is it okay now? All right, let's go. Hey, buddies, my friends on the internet, in the world. Today is April 9th, 2026. This is Rocky. I would like today to do a formal introduction of myself and our business. This is Rocky. I guess some of you have already watched my videos on the social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere. Actually, I am the founder of a LED lighting business. My name is Rocky. Rocky is engineer, and I am designer myself. I like designing technical lighting fixtures very much. And I also have the interest to work on the lighting projects, because nowadays people pay more and more attention to what they feel in the lighting environment. My company is called Encore. Here is Encore, the brand. Company name is Encore Technical Lighting Company Limited. What do we do? And what is the history of my business? I will show you guys. Okay. Here is the roadmap. Here is the roadmap of Encore, of the business. The company was founded in 2011. So, Encore Technical Lighting has a history of over 15 years. We have experienced almost all the new companies should experience. We know the difficulties. We know how important the quality is and how difficult it is to set up the production. In fact, we set up our factory in 2014. And later on, we designed more and more wonderful products. And 2015, we launched the zoomable truck fixture, that is IMAX. And because of the new invention, Encore was brought into the US market. Very luckily, John, ex-president of a very famous and big lighting company in the USA, met us in Hong Kong Lighting Fair. And he was so much interested in what we did, and he talked with me and brought our products and our business into the US market. Thank you, John, very much. I still remember you. It was you who opened new world of my business in the North American market. Okay? I will see you someday. And later on, Encore spent a lot of time and teamwork on developing products. Encore is not just a manufacturer. First of all, we are a designing institute in China, based in China. So later on, as time goes on, we have many different products like track fixtures, like downlights, and cylinders. In the last 3 years, we have designed and launched to the market the linear lighting systems and also the magnetic 48-volt track systems and fixtures. I will later share with you guys all the family concepts and the functions and applications of each category of products. Okay, this is a map of what we do and what technologies we have. All in one word, we have 5 key categories of products. 5 key categories. 5 categories of products. Number one, track fixture. Track fixture. I still remember the time we designed our first track fixture. Who is still selling very well on the market? That is TLI is the model number. TLI, model number. This product we designed very early stage of my business. That's about 12 years ago. Now still many people love it. Later on, the track fixture expanded to many families. Okay? And the second is downlight. We have downlight. Of course, we have different families of downlights for different needs to light up your different spaces. Okay? These 2 key categories of products cover over 60% of our sales volume up to now, up to year 2026. Based on the 2 categories, we then have cylinders. Cylinders. Very interestingly, cylinders share the optic design with the track fixtures and downlights. Cylinder is a different kind of mounting solution, but the optics come from the track fixtures like Omega, like the other family IMAX, and comes from the Galaxy downlight. Later on, I will explain to you. Okay? And about 3 years ago, we began to design, according to the market's requirements, linear systems. Linear lights. Okay? We have linear lights. This is linear light. And the 5th category is 48 volt. 48 magnetic track fixture and system. Track fixture system. About the 48 track system, I should like to say, up to now, not many, just quite a few lighting companies in the market have their 48 track system and fixtures UL or ETL certified. Okay? That's UL or ETL certified. Encore, our company, is one of them. This is very important information for you guys. Very important. So if you work in the US market and you need the 48 magnetic systems for your homes, for your spaces, you can contact Encore, okay? We have 5 key categories of products. And then what advantage we have? I should like to say again, we are technical lighting solution provider. Lighting solution provider. Why? We are not a company that does huge mass production for commodity lighting fixtures. That's not our business. We do technical lighting fixtures. We design lighting fixtures because this is very special application in the lighting business. I am an engineer, as I told you, so I love to design very functional products for your space, for the architectural lighting, and I'd like to find the solutions for you. If you cannot have all the partners that can provide the lighting solutions for you, you can contact Rocky at Encore. Then I should like to list what technical solutions we can provide. First is beam. Beam, shape, management. What is beam shape management? In commodity lighting, it's mostly the average lighting. The beam angle of a fixture is almost over 100 degrees or 120 degrees, probably like this. But in technical lighting, people need very special lighting effect. The first is the lighting shape. For example, in some cases in museum lighting, in gallery lighting, people need very small beam angle. Small beam angle is like 3 degrees. Small beam angle, okay? Shape. Lighting shape. Small beam angle, right? Small beam. How small? It may be 3 degrees, 5 degrees. It's very important, okay, in museum lighting. And also, people need wall washing, right? For downlight, you need to wash the wall. Wall washing. We have the skyline technology, okay? Skyline. That is light. For example, this is the ceiling. I want downlight here, and the light will be flush with the ceiling. It's very, very functional. And then we have the beam shaping, okay? We have the zooming functions. Zooming. For example, you can zoom with the same fixture, you can zoom the beam angle from maybe 10 degrees to 50 degrees. For example, okay, 10 degrees to 50 degrees. So you don't need to change the fixture. You need just to do the zooming to change the beam angle. And also we have the framing. The framing, we have the different shapes. Triangle, square, oval, probably like this. So you can create any shapes for your pictures on the wall. Okay, this is the basic idea of lighting shape management. We do this. These technologies are used in very special spaces like museums, art galleries, and even in your home. Okay, this is number one, lighting shape. The second is color management. We have this concept, this term, during the pandemic. That is 2020 year. Because we knew the trend in the lighting industry. The lighting effect nowadays is more and more important. Very luckily this year, 2026 at Frankfurt, I saw this term also on the wall of a big lighting brand. It's a European company. It's very interesting, okay? So other guys also have quite similar expression and ideas as Encore had 5 years ago. What is color management? We have the technology of customize, okay? Customize LED and driver and the control modules. To do what? We can do the human-centric lighting, right? Human-centric lighting. For example, this is BBL. So we can set any fixture. We can set the lighting output, the color of a lighting fixture onto a light point on the black body line. That is quite similar to the lighting effect of the sunshine. And what's more, the second what we do is color point positioning. This is our own concept and term. For example, besides that point on the black body line, you can give me any point here, okay, in the spectrum. Give us the XY data, the DV data of that point, and even the RF, RG, the different data of the light points that you need to light up different, okay, light up different stuffs, okay, light up different stuffs. For example, clothes, watch, apple. Also, I like fish, blah, blah, like this, and meat, etc. For different stuffs, you need different lighting point, different lighting effect. All this, you need a certain lighting point, lighting effect to match the stuff you want to light up. So we can work, we can calibrate, we can set and calibrate the lighting output, the light point of each fixture, and you can have a different lighting effect for your stuffs, for your space. That is the second, okay? So we call it light color management. That is the second technology. And the third technology is intelligent. Okay, the third technology is intelligent control. In some very high spaces, you need something to do remote control. Remote, okay? Firstly is remote control of the fixture. For example, you need to change the beam direction from this place to that point. What should you do? We can use an iPhone. You can use your iPhone. You can open the app and control different movements. What app we have? The app is Kasambi. At present, we use Kasambi to adjust, okay, the pen moving. We can do the pen moving and tilting and zooming and the CCT and also the brightness. Imagine a lighting fixture is installed at a height of 10 meters or even 50 meters. And you need to do some adjustment of the beam direction, the beam angle, or even the CCT. What will you do? You cannot go up there, right? What you need to do is to do the remote control. And then in this case, you can use the Kasambi on the iPhone, do the adjustment. So we have this technology. Of course, the platform is Kasambi, but we have our own add-on control software and our hardware. In the future, we will expand from track fixtures, okay? From track fixture to downlight. A smart control, okay? Okay, now it's based on Kasambi, right? Kasambi. Later on, we will expand to DMX. So the controller technology will be based on two platforms. Number one is Kasambi, it's wireless, and DMX is wired system. The key products that can be smart controlled in our company now is track fixture. In the future, it can be downlight. So I have introduced the key products and the technologies that Encore can do for you. Here again, on this board, you guys can see, okay, on the first row is the product categories. This is, okay, downlight. This is track light. This is magnetic track system. And this is linear light system, and here is cylinder. The categories, 5 key categories of products. And here below, we have the lighting shape management technology, and we have the color management technology, and we have the intelligent control technology. So on this simple map, you can remember and know what products Encore can do for you and what solutions we can bring to you. Okay? So I have introduced myself, Rocky, as engineer and designer, and what business we do is number 2, right? We do the business in lighting industry, okay? And we are a factory, but first of all, we are a lighting fixture designer, and we are engineers, so we can provide solution. The third part I have just explained to you is the key categories of products and the technologies we can provide you. And later on, I will explain to you guys the products, the families in detail, and then I will let you know how you can find us, how you can contact us. For some information, okay? In our company, the basic concept is modular design. Each fixture can be configured from different parts of the component. Each part is a modular, and the modules can be configured very easily to form a finished product. Here, for example, this is a track system. it is called Omega. Here is the mounting base. We have the truck mounted base, and here is the surface mounted base, suspended mounting base, and also the wall mounted base. And here we have the light engine with LED inside, okay? And also, of course, we have different optics. The optics can be changed. Then it can be configured into different finished product for different mounting solutions. Okay, we have many different products here, okay? This is zoomable with CCT, individual CCT adjustment, brightness adjustment, and also zooming, okay? Different CCT, 5 steps of CCT selectable, and the CCT adjustment with the knob, and also the brightness adjustment. So I have told you that we are a technical solution provider. On our products, you can find many different functions and solutions. And here is, as I explained, this is the motorized Bluetooth Kasami track fixture. You can do the adjustment, okay? Here is, for example, pen moving, tilting, and here, there. Then you can do the zooming, and the brightness adjustment, and the CCT adjustment. And here is also a track fixture. You have the LED display. You can see the increment of the brightness and the CCT. So in one space, you have many different pieces of this fixture, and you can do the fine tuning of the CCT, of the brightness, to have all the light effect of each track fixture to be the same. And here is cylinder, okay? We have different cylinders. Cylinder is a very popular and widely used lighting product in the North American market and also in the US market. So you need different shapes of the cylinders, okay? And different functions, voltages. You can come to us. Okay, this is a system. We have a family concept too, okay? Each product family will have different mounting solutions, different optics. For example, this is a Omega. This family is Omega, right? Omega. It has been in the market for about 8 years. For example, we have different voltages, right? The small one, the large one, and also in the family we have zoomable one, and we have framing one and projector, and then here you have wall washer. These are all the track mounted models. And here then you can have the ceiling mounted, okay, surface mounted. Here is suspended, and here is wall mounted. Imagine in one space you can have different mounting solutions, different sizes, different solutions, but all the fixtures are of the same family with the same look. So the space look quite the same. It's very functional for you. And then we have the magnetic track fixtures, suspended cylinders, okay? And the Nova, very slim for your home application. This is for commercial application, okay? And also, for example, I told you the optics of cylinders are from the track fixtures and the downlight. Now you can see Omega originally was a track fixture. Now it has cylinder versions with the same optics, the zooming and the very premium models. And here is Galaxy cylinder. Galaxy was originally a downlight. Now it has cylinders. Okay, Here is also a map for you to very easily understand how many families of fixtures we have. As I have told you, we have 5 key categories of products: track fixtures, downlights, linear lights, cylinders, magnetic systems. Now here is a map. In this row, this is downlight, right? We have different families of downlight: Della, Ella, Ava, Galaxy, Wheeler. So we have different designs of downlights for different needs, for different spaces. For example, Della is very mini design. It can be IC rated. It can be IP65. It can be small beam mango. It can be wall washer. Very functional in the same family. Okay, this is Stella. And Ella has been in the US market for about 8 years. It's still selling very well. It can be used in commercial sites, in hotels with modular design. And you can have, here you can have different LED engines, different mounting trims and different optics. And you can do the final assembly on your site. And here is Ava. Ava is a economic family for some, if you need to have a low budget product for your downlighting, and Ava is a very good choice. And here is Galaxy. Galaxy is a one mode product. All the product is digested with one mode. So heat dissipation is very good. And it has different sizes like 5, 4, 6, or even 8. The lumen output is very high. Lumen output for this downlight is over 110 lumens per watt. So it can be installed in very high ceilings, like the lobbies, like even in the airports. Okay, this is Galaxy. And second row is the track light. The track light we have Vega and Ovega, IMAX, Mega, and Evo, and Flex. And IMAX has been in the market for about 10 years. It started from the zoomable mode, and then we developed the framing and also with different lighting effect. It has been widely used in museums worldwide, in even USA, in Australia. We have done a lot of projects. And then we have the Ovega. I explained to you, it has many different mounting solutions with the same look, the same optics. And then here we have Vega. Vega is brand new. We developed this product, this family, 2 years ago, because the trend of the lighting fixtures is becoming smaller and smaller with different functions. We have the integrated drivers for the DALI, the O210, and even Kazami. Even one fixture, if you want to have different lighting dimming solutions, you just need to replace the driver. Then it can be your choice. Here we have the Mega for the museum lighting, and here is Eva and Flex. These two families are for the low budget projects. Reviewed is much simpler. So we have, even for the track lighting solutions, we have 1, 2, 3, 6 families for different needs, for different modules, for different functions. Okay. And here is magnetic system. Okay. Again, magnetic track system, 48 volt and 24 volt. 48 volt is very mature. It has been widely used by my products. As I told you, okay, 48 volt magnetic fixtures in Encore is ETL listed, okay? ETL is listed for the North American market, is from Encore. If you need magnetic 48 magnetic systems and track fixtures, you can choose from Encore. It can be used. We have the ETL certification. Okay, And also linear. We have linear. Linear, we have three families. This is arc, and this is slam, and this is auto. Auto, I should like to talk about auto and slam. Auto is very narrow design. Okay, it's about 12 millimeter. And also it has very, very low glare design. And the slam is also, the width is 2.4, is dedicated designed for the US market, okay? And the slam is for the US market, okay? North American market. It is, width is 2.4 inch width. It has 3 features, okay? Slam has, number 1, we have the 1 screw splicing system. 1 screw splicing. Even a lady or a boy can use a screwdriver to tighten the screw to put different parts together. On your side, it's very simple. We have the patent on this design. And also we have the push to pop off. If something goes wrong on your linear fixtures, you don't need to take everything apart. You don't need to take everything off. You just need to push the LED module, and then you take it apart for checking and maintenance. It's very convenient. And also on the linear light we have the color management. As I told you, we have applied the human-centric lighting solutions, and also we have the color point positioning. So with the linear lights, you can create any scenes in your home or in your office, in your private space. For example, you can create different seasons like spring, autumn, and summer, blah, blah, like this. And also you can create different sky appearances like the cloud and like the blue sky, blah, blah, like this, okay? And here is the linear. And then we have the cylinders, okay? As I told you, the cylinders comes from the truck lights and the downlight. Here is the Omega. Omega was originally a truck light, and then it has the cylinders, okay? With the same diameters, with the same optics, but the mounting solution is cylinder. And then we have the Galaxy. Galaxy was a large size, 4 inch, 5 inch, and 6 inch, even 8 inch. Now it has the cylinder version. And then we have very slim. The clam cylinder is like very, very small. It's like the diameter is about 10 millimeter. So in cylinders, you can have different choices. Clam for home, decorative application, and this is Omega for commercial site lighting, and also the Galaxy for high space lighting. Okay? So I have explained to you guys what product categories we have. We have 5 key categories: truck fixtures, downlight, linear light, magnetic systems, and cylinders. And we have the three key technologies, that is the lighting shape management. Second is color management. The third is the intelligent control based on Kasami and DMX. And I also told you guys, in each category, we have different models, different families. In downlight category, we have about 6 families for different applications with different designs and functions. And the truck fixture, the same concept. Okay? Then, how can you find us? How can you find Rocky? How can you find Encore team? It's very easy, okay? Today I launched this formal introduction of myself, of my team, of Encore Technical Lighting, and the product categories, and also the technical solutions we have. I think that you are very happy to know us and want to contact us. How can you contact us? Very simple, okay? Myself and my team are very proactive on the world's social media, okay? Come to social media and search for us, okay? Social media. We are on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform for all the technical guys and for the management, and myself as the CEO of the business and our sales VP and our sales managers, blah, blah, and even engineers are on the LinkedIn. And then we are also on Facebook, okay? Facebook. We're also on Facebook. On Facebook, you can get to know a lot of introduction of our workshops, of warehouse, and our showroom, and our team, and office area, okay? Facebook. And also Instagram. On Instagram, we can show some details and even our lives. And my hobbies, I like dancing, singing songs. My team likes to do some outdoor activities, blah, blah, this. All this information is on the Instagram. And then we have YouTube. Okay? On YouTube, you can watch a lot of videos from my company. The videos we have released are about the operation line, the assembly lines in our factory, and our daily life, and the functions of all the lighting fixtures. Video is very easy for you guys to watch and understand what we do and what we can do. Okay, that's it. YouTube. And also we are following the world on TikTok. Okay, TikTok is very interesting. It's a trend. Many young people are playing on TikTok. We follow the steps. In the future, more and more people will know us from TikTok. Okay, so we are on the social media. How can you search? Now you can search. Who this guy is? This guy is Rocky Wong. This guy is Rocky Wong. Rocky Wong. Okay, at Encore. Encore Lighting. This is my account, okay? This is my account. And also, you can search Encore Commercial Lighting. We have a different account. Encore Commercial Lighting. Encore Commercial Lighting. And the third is that we have other members. Like in my company, you have Rocky WJ's assistant. I have some assistant, okay? Like lgnis, Riz, blah, blah, blah. And my social media assistants, lgnis, Riz, and blah, blah, they also have their own accounts on the social medias. So it's very easy, okay? It's very easy. And what's more, I should like to share with you guys some of my private contacts, okay? Here. If you guys want to talk to Rocky, okay, I should like to share with you my WhatsApp, okay? My WhatsApp, okay? WhatsApp. Rocky's WhatsApp, okay? 5852, a Hong Kong number, 67682519. Okay, this is Rocky. You can also find my WhatsApp account 852-6768-2519. And also you can send emails to me, okay? My email Rocky Wong, that's my name, Rocky Wong at Encore-tech.com, okay? Rocky Wong at Encore-tech.com. That's my email, okay? My email, my WhatsApp. I'm very open to you guys, right? So you can find our team, our accounts on the social media here, okay? Encore website, Encore social media followers, okay? Encore commercial lighting, and Rocky Wong, Encore commercial lighting, and also my WhatsApp, my email. So I'm very happy today. I spent almost 50 minutes here talking to my friends, my future friends worldwide. On this video will be launched onto Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. I have explained the Encore history myself, what we do, and what products we have, what solutions we have, and how you guys can get connected to Encore. If you are in the lighting industry and you need solutions for all these categories of products, and if you have some projects and you need customized products or solutions, Rocky and Encore are your choice. Thank you very much. Come to us. Bye-bye.